Good morning, Year 2. It's Ms. Mole and I'm here with Tuesday morning's maths lesson. So we're going to start off today with a little warm-up again. So you will need either a whiteboard if you have one at home or a piece of paper and a pen or pencil. So my question this morning, can you represent these numbers using tens and ones? So remember, you were doing lots of work on this yesterday. I've given you an example here where I've got the number 14. Can you show me the tens and ones? Remember, you can just draw it using your sticks and stones to represent how many tens and how many ones it's got. So remember, a stick is worth 10, and then each of the little stones are your ones. So I've got 10 and 4 ones. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So your challenge at the bottom is to show me 24, 49, 38, and 19. So pause the video here and have a go at representing all of those numbers using your tens and ones. So well done if you managed to represent all 4 numbers. I am going to show you the answers now so that you can check your work. So 24 is represented using 2 tens and 4 ones. So 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 49 needs 4 tens and 9 ones. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. So well done if you got that one correct. Third one is the number 38. So 38 has 3 tens and 8 ones. So 30, because I know that 3 lots of 10 makes 30, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. And it is really useful if you practice counting on those tens and then counting on in ones. So that might be something for you to pause the video for in a minute and practice doing that out loud. And the final one, 19. So I've only got 1 10 this time and 9 ones. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So well done if you got all of those correct. Remember, if you didn't quite get them right today, you can always have another go either now or come back to it another day. So what is our main maths lesson going to be about today? Well, we are learning to add and subtract 1 and 2 digit numbers, and our place value, our tens and ones, are going to be really useful for that today. So I've got some tens and ones ready up here, but remember, you can draw them at home. So how could I use my knowledge of tens and ones to solve this question? What might I need to do? So I've got the number sentence here, 15 add 3 equals. How could I use these tens and ones to add the number 15 and 3? What would I need to represent underneath? Have a little think for a minute. Right, I think the best thing for us to do is to make or draw the 15 and the 3 that we are going to be adding onto it. So first of all, I'm going to draw or make the 15. So I've got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So there's my 15, and I'm adding 3 more onto it. So 1, 2, 3. So remember, because we are adding, we are finding the total, how many there are all together. So we're going to have to count them all up. So I'm going to start with the tens because we have the most tens here. Okay, 10 is the greatest number that we have, sorry. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So the number, the answer is 18. So well done if you had worked that one out too. So we've got another question to solve. The same question at the top. How could I use my tens and ones to help me solve this question? But I've got a big red question down here. What is different about this question? Look very carefully. So I've got the same numbers in here. What has changed? Well done to everybody who spotted that it has got a subtract sign in the middle. A minus, subtract, take away, they all mean the same thing. So this time we are doing 15 take away 3. And I'm going to use this one as a chance to show you how you could draw it in your maths books. So 15 take away 3. So I still need to draw my 15. So I'm going to do my 5 ones. Perfect. So 1 10 and 5 ones. But this time we're taking away 3. We're not adding on. So I don't need to draw 3 here. What I need to do is get rid of 3 or take them away. And I'm going to do that by crossing them out. So I'm taking away 1, taking away 2, taking away 3. So you could imagine that Miss Mole had 15 sweets in her jar and she ate 3. How many are left? So I've got 15 to begin with and I crossed out the 3 that I've eaten. What do I have left? So now I'm going to count up the answer. So we've got 10, 11, 12. So Miss Mole has 12 left. So well done if anybody else managed to work out the answer using their 10s and 1s as well. So I've got 2 here for you to have a go at. So you'll be able to pause the video in a minute. So let's look at 2 more. Remember to look carefully at the symbol to see whether you are adding or subtracting. So look really carefully at this sign in the middle because we don't want any mistakes. So pause your video now and you can have a chance at working out on your whiteboard or your pens and paper. Right, so I'm going to show you the answers now that you've all had a chance to have a go at answering it yourself. So 34 add 5. I'm going to draw my 34, draw my 3 10s and my 4 1s, and I'm adding, so I'm going to add my next 5 on over here, and then I'm going to count up the total. So I've got 10, 20, 30, 4, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. So my answer is 39. Right, second question, 48 take away 4 equals. So I need to draw my 48. So I shall draw my 4 10s and my 8 1s. 7, 8, and I'm going to take away 4. So remember, we are taking away, so we're not adding any more over here. We are crossing them out. We are taking them away. So cross out 3, take away 4, and let's count up what the answer is. How many have I got left? I've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. The answer is 44. So well done to everybody who managed to work out those answers correctly. So let's have a look at our wolf for today. So today, what am I looking for in your work? I'm looking to see that you can add 1-digit numbers onto 2-digit numbers. I'm looking to see if you can subtract 1-digit numbers away from 2-digit numbers. And then there is a little bit of a challenge about reasoning about addition and subtraction. So good luck with your maths today. I can't wait to see the work that gets sent in for me to have a look at, and I hope that you enjoy it.